All right, guys, it's spring. I'm thinking spring cleaning. We got pollen and all of our winter grime built up inside our bill acceptors and our crypto pay swiper here. I got two great cleaning products, one for the card swiper, one for the bill acceptor itself. I'm gonna show you here real quick how to use that. Just looks like a regular credit card, and I'm just gonna slide that through that credit card reader a bunch of times just to make sure that mag strip swipe is cleaned out. I don't want my customers to have any issues trying to pay to use the car wash. Same thing here, it's just the size of a dollar bill, and I'm gonna go in and out of that bill acceptor a couple times just to get all the dirt and grime out of there. You know, if you're in a hurry, you're spraying your bay down, you spray your box down, you're spraying that dirt inside that card reader, inside that bill acceptor. It's not a bad idea to make sure that stuff's clean. It's gonna clean everything out, make your customer's experience much better. And if you're having any issues with your coin boxes or anything at your car wash, give us a call here at Kleen-Rite and we'll get you fixed up.
Kleen-Rite.